Good morning, students. So, in continuation of the problems by the elimination method, we can go to third problem. That is, already we learned the two problems. The same method that according to the requirement, we have to eliminate the one variable, and after finding that variable value, we have to substitute that value to in another equation to find the value of that variable. Let us take the third problem. It is 3 by 4 x minus 2 by 3 y is equal to 1, and second equation is 3 by 8 x minus 1 by 6 is equal to the 1 by 6 y is equal to the 1 is equal to the 1. 3 by 4x minus 2 by 3y is equal to 1. 3 by 8 minus 1 by 6y is equal to the 1. So these are the two simultaneous equations where we have to find the value of x and y. So I will consider the two equations. Consider the equation, the first one, that is 3 by 4x minus 2 by 3y is equal to 1. So it is not in the fraction form. We should convert it to the standard form. So that we take the cross multiplication. 3 3s are 9x, 4 2s are 8y, 4 3s are 12 is equal to the 1. So this is equal to 9x minus 8y is equal to 12 1s are 12. That is the cross multiplication. Call this as equation 1. Now come to the second equation I will consider. Again consider the second equation what he has given. 3 by 8x minus 1 by 6y is equal to the 1. So LCM of 8 and 6 also you can take here, or cross multiplication also you can take here. So here it is, that is 2 4s are 2 3s are, then LCM of 2 4 the 8, 8 3s are 24. 24 is the LCM. Now this implies that 24 is the LCM of the given equation. 8 3s are 24, then 3 3s are 9x, 6 4 the 24, 4 into y, 4y is equal to the 1. So this is equal to 9x minus 4y is equal to, again cross multiplication, 24 1s are 24, call this is equation 2. Now equation 1, 9x minus 8 4 is equal to 12. Equation 2, 9x minus 4y is equal to 24. Observe here 9x is same. X we can eliminate directly without any multiplication. Why? Because 9 is the numeral coefficient for the both. Now subtract equation 2 from equation 1. 1 minus 2. That is 9x minus 8y is equal to 12. Again 9x minus 4y is equal to 24. On subtraction, you know that signs will get changed. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Here plus will become minus. Plus 9x minus x will get cancelled. Minus 8 plus 4. This is the minus 4y is equal to minus 24 plus 12. So as the larger number, it is minus 24. So it is the minus 12. So minus minus will get cancelled. That is the 4y is equal to 12. So this implies that 4 1s are 4 3s are y is equal to the 3. Put y is equal to 3 in equation either of any one. In equation 1 I will put y is equal to 3 in equation 1 to get the value of x. So 9x minus 8y, y value is 3, is equal to the 12. So 9x, 8 3s are 24 is equal to the 12. 9x is equal to 12 plus 24. That is 9x is equal to 36. X is equal to 36 by 9. 9 goes to the denominator. So 9 one time, 9 4 times. Therefore, 2 required values of the two required equations are x is equal to 4 and y is equal to the 3. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. So these are the two values. In this equation what we found that we got a direct the equation as there is the 9x. Observe, this is the total different what we did already the two more problems. So this is how we have to go to simultaneous of the given equations. Okay. Now let us move the second problem. So as every problem is almost something different is there, that we have to observe. So what is the difference in each problem? So the first problem, so we are multiplying the only one equation. In second problem, we taken the cross multiplication of the cross coefficients. Third problem, directly we got one equation 9x. Depend upon the problem, we have to go to the solution. Now we will go to the fourth problem. You see, that is 15x minus 14y is equal to 117. And second equation, 14x minus 15y is equal to 115. 15x minus 14y is equal to 117. 14x minus 15y is equal to 115. Just observe this problem. In this problem, x and y coefficient are the cross numbers here it is. 15, 15 here, 14, 14x for x and y. Means there is some logic in the problem. We no need to go any multiplication of the x or y coefficients of the given numbers. Then what else we have to do? We have to do one time addition, one time subtraction of the given simultaneously either equation, so that we will get the solutions. Now I will consider the equation 15x minus 14y is equal to 117. This is equation 1. Then 14x minus 15y is equal to 115. This is equation 2. As there is a 15, 14, 14, 15 for the both x and y variables respectively, we can add and subtract each one time, so that we will get the another equation 3 and 4. Now, first equation 2 you subtract from equation 1. First I will subtract. Means 15x minus 14y is equal to 117. 14x minus 15y is equal to 115. Now we have to subtract. So we know our subtraction, the signs we take in the reverse sign. Plus will get to minus, minus will get plus, plus will get minus. Now 15 minus 14 plus x. So minus 14 plus 15 plus y, x plus y. Now this is the 117 minus 115, 2. Okay. You call this as equation 3. Equation 3. Again, add equation 1 and 2. Means equation 1 plus equation 2. That is 15x minus 14y is equal to 117. 14x minus 15y is equal to 115. As we are adding, there is no any change of the sign for the subtract end. So we have to go to direct to add. So 15 plus 14, 29x, 14 minus 15, 29y is equal to, this is the 232. Now 29 is common here. If I take 29, x minus 25 is equal to 232. That is x minus y is equal to 232 by 29. This will get some 8 times. That is x minus y is equal to 8. You call it as equation 4. You call it as equation 4. Okay. Now You see, if x plus y is equal to 2, x minus y is equal to 8. Now equation 1 and 2 you can add, so that the y you can eliminate. Y you can eliminate. X plus y is equal to the 2, then x minus y is equal to the 8 on adding. So that the plus y minus will get cancelled. 2x is equal to the 10. This implies 1 time 2, 5 times x is equal to the 5. Put x is equal to the 5 in equation either of any one. So in equation 3 we can put that it is. In equation 3 or 4 it is. So I put in equation 3. So x is equal to 5. So in this equation x is equal to 5. 5 plus y is equal to 2. This implies that y is equal to 2. On shifting the plus 5 will become the minus 5. That is 2 minus 5 is equal to the y is equal to c. This is very important. You people will do the very accuracy all the steps. But when changing the sign and keeping the sign is very important here. As there is a bigger number, negligence of the sign it is there. That is the plus I have the 5 is the bigger, 2 is the small. So here you should keep the minus 3. It is the minus 3. If you keep the plus 3 gone, on one you are losing it is. So that is both the values x is equal to 5 and y is equal to the 3 are the required values for the two variable simultaneous equations. So students observe this problem entirely different it is. As seeing the numerals there are big size, no, whether we have to go for the multiplying the each cross coefficients, no. Just logic is there in the problem. 15, 15 here, 14, 14. Neglect the right side, whatever the number. But here it is the, as the numbers are same, no. Meantime, so you can, adding the numerals will become the same here, you see, 29, 29. Like that here. So, one time we subtracted, one time we added. On subtracting, we got the x plus 1. On adding, we got the x minus 1. This is the very important. So that we got the equation 3 and equation 4. So x plus y is equal to 2, x minus y is equal to 2. So by seeing this, easily we will get to what to be the elimination variable. Here y is the eliminated variable. So that we got the 2x is equal to the 10. Then we got the x value. So this is how the problems, all problems are not the one type what you feel it is the something different here. So this is the important task where you have to remember the step. It is the addition and subtracting of the given numbers. This is the how we have to solve the problem. Okay. We can go to the next problem. That is the something maybe different it is. Now we go to the fifth problem where that is the x minus 2 by 3y is equal to 8 by 3 and 2x by 5 minus y is equal to 7 by 5. These two are the fraction type problems. Let me take the first equation, that is x minus 2 by 3y is equal to 8 by 3. So this implies 3 into x, 3x minus 2y divided by 3 is equal to 8 by 3. 3 will get cancelled. This implies 3x minus 2y is equal to 8. This is an equation 1. And consider the second equation. Here I will write, and this equation also I will write here itself. That is, this is 2x by 5 minus y is equal to 7 by 5. This implies 2x minus cross multiplication 5 into y, 5y divided by 5 is equal to 7 by 5. 5 will get cancelled. 2x minus 5y is equal to 7. Call it as equation 2. Now I will take equation 1 and 2. That is 3x minus 2y is equal to 8. Equation 1, and 2x minus 5y is equal to 7. Equation 2. Now you see here I want to eliminate x. To eliminate the x here, 3 and 2 are the coefficient. Cross coefficient cancellation you can take. So equation 1 should multiply the second subtract end of the coefficient, that is the into 2, and second equation should multiply with 3. Now this implies 3 2s are 6x, 2 2s are 4y, 8 2s are 16, 3 2s are 6x, minus 5 3s are 15y, 7 3s are 21. Now subtract 21. Now on subtracting, plus will get minus, minus will get plus, and plus will get minus. And this minus should take, plus 6x minus 6 will get cancelled. Now here it is the plus 15 minus 4. It is the plus 11y, minus 21 plus 16. This is the minus 5. So y is equal to minus 5 by 11. Okay, we got the y value. Put y is equal to minus 5 by 11 in either of any one equation. I will put in equation 1. In equation 1, that is 3x minus 2 into bracket minus 11 divide 11 is equal to, that is 8. So this implies 3x is equal to minus into minus plus 5 2s are 10 by 11 is equal to 8. This implies go cross multiplication, or you can shift plus 10 by 11 right side also. No need to go cross multiplication for easy purpose. 11 3s are 33x plus 10 divided by 11 is equal to 8. This implies 33x plus 10 is equal to 11 8s are 88. Cross multiplication 11 into 8, 88. 33x is equal to 88 minus 10. Shift the plus 10 right side, become the minus 10. This is the 78. That is 33x is equal to 78. This implies that x is equal to 78 by 3 with the 3 table. That is 3 2s are 6. Then 1 remainder 18. 3 6s are 18. 11. 11 3s are. So this is 3 11s are. That is x is equal to 26 by 11. So I will write x is equal to 26 by 11 and y is equal to what we got the y value, minus 5 by 11. Students, one thing I tell you, some problems answers are given the wrong with plus or minus signs. Don't worry about the answers. If you want answers, you can verify. How answer should get? No, whatever the value you put x and y, LHS should equal to the RHS. Means this LHS should equal to the, you should substitute the value of x is equal to 26 by 11 and y is equal to minus 5 by 11. This value should get 8 by 3. Why? Because right side 8 by 3 like that. In both equations, then only answer is correct. Whichever the simultaneous equations, that is very important. So in the textbook answers, back answers, sometimes he ignore the signs or given from wrong answers. So there wrong or there no, I did the correct answers. We go to those correct answers. Okay.